Hi, let's see how our mobile app works. To log into the mobile app, you need to enter your website, your username, and your password. Use the same ones to access your website dashboard. From this screen, you can see your upcoming reservations for the next 8 hours, next 24 hours, 3 days, or next week. You can also filter the reservations by a specific assistant. Clicking on a single reservation, you can see all the details. You can edit a reservation just clicking on Edit button. From the calendar screen, you have a big picture of your agenda. Where the dates are green, no reservations are still present, while the dates in orange means that you have some reservations. Then the dates in gray means that the date is fully booked or not available for new reservations. Clicking on Single Date, you have a list of your slots and reservations for that date. To add a new reservation, click on a desired green slots and enter all the details. To block a time slot, just click on the green locker icon and click again to restore that slot. To delete a reservation, swipe to left and click on the trash icon. Thanks for choosing Salon Booking System.